Gentlemen, hi, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. The topic here is, how do I make my wife feel like she's the luckiest? The luckiest, and that's very important. So I really appreciate where you're coming from and why you're wanting to do that. And I can tell you that the simplest way is by being the most amazing husband, the most amazing man. And it's not an external thing. It's not something where you do this and you do that. And I discovered this a long time ago. I used to be a divorce mediator, and I became a marriage healer in 2001. I know it's ancient history, but I did so because a couple asked me to help them save their marriage. They went through marriage counseling, it didn't work, and they didn't want to really give up. So what I discovered, please subscribe, please like the video. What I discovered is that we cannot easily change our outer behaviors unless we change our inner thinking. And the way to set us up to get our wife's appreciation is by focusing on our love for her. In other words, internally, almost like a mantra, say, oh, I love her so much. She's so amazing. She's so beautiful. She's so mine. I love her so much. And then never allow the negative stuff in your mind to appear in the surface. Never allow your criticisms, your judgments, your complaints to manifest. Instead, convert those into thoughts of love and appreciation. And literally, that will be the best way to get your wife to think, wow, I got the best man in the world. Go to our website to see what all we have. And again, like, subscribe. I'm Paul Friedman. God bless you and take care. Thank you.